Hi students, Mrs. Opie and Mrs. Hunter have asked that you take a survey. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to get to the survey. First, I'm going to read the information in blue. It says, you are being asked to reflect on your experiences in school. To do this, you'll be asked to fill out one survey that focuses on helping you and your teachers learn more about how they can best support you. This survey will ask you about your feelings about school, which are important for your school and teachers to understand so they can best support you. Your survey results will remain anonymous. The information collected in the survey will not be part of your grade or reflected on your report card in any way. Instead, your teachers and school leaders will use the information to better support you. So please answer honestly. Thank you for completing the survey. Next, it says click on the link below to see how to complete the survey. So after you are finished watching this video, you will click on the link and it opens a Google Doc. The first paragraph is reminding you that your survey results will remain anonymous and this is not a part of your grade. Step 1 says that you are going to use the following website. When you click on this right here, a site drops down, and so you will click and it should open another tab for you. It says, welcome, enter your access code here. Probably thinking you don't know what your access code. Step 2 says your access code is your student ID number, which is your lunch number. So on the survey site in here, right here, you will click you'll do your lunch number and then click enter. Once you click, it says click Start Surveys button to begin. Please make sure you are taking your survey. So you are going to want to make sure that you see your name and then you'll click Start Surveys. Step 4 says, please make sure you are completely finished before hitting Submit. You will not be able to change your selections once you have submitted your answers. Step 5. When you have finished taking the survey, you will see this screen indicating you are all done. So right here, it's not very big, but it says, thank you for taking our survey. So please follow those directions and complete the survey.